Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, the lot is big. This is area for a house. Number two, why did she? With the finger like this. At me. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. We will buy a house and a lot. We will buy a house and a lot. Lot. The house is made of wood, and the lot is the area around for one house. Now we can make a flashcard for lot. Please make a card like this. Write lot up here, L-O-T. For example, a house and a lot. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 94 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Lot. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob points at his son every day. Bob points at his son every day. Points at. Like this, with a finger. Bob points at his son every day. Now we can make a flashcard for to point at. We usually say point at somebody or something about 80% of the time. We also say point to somebody or something, but only about 20% of the time. Please make a card like this, to point at somebody or something, and to point to somebody or something. Down here, V1 and 2. V1 means verb, level 1. And over here, the number 46 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like oi, like girl and boy. Poi, point. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned the lot is big. This is the area for one house. Number two, why did she point at me? Yeah, we want to know why. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number one, someone is injured. We have an emergency. Correct. Number two, when you can see all of the moon, full with a U. Very good. Number three, to interfere. Today is Friday, August 8th. Show number 183. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.